Hi! In this session, I'm going to show you how to remove or uninstall the RAM, SSD, and HDD. It is either you want to replace the defective part or you have plans of upgrading it. Knowing how to replace a defective part on the computer saves you a lot of money from the repair cost or service cost. Getting assistance from a technician just for upgrading a part has also fees. By knowing these, you just have to buy the compatible parts and replace it on your end. The step that I will be providing you doesn't have to be in order, but of course, you need to remove the bottom case cover to start with, and make sure to unplug the charger first before unscrewing anything on the laptop. For this session, I will start with the RAM, SSD, and HDD in order. Before you remove the bottom case cover, make sure that the laptop is completely off. Disconnect all peripherals connected to the computer, especially the charger or the AC adapter. Now, let's begin. Remove all the screws at the back and take out the bottom case cover. Disconnect the battery cable. Remove the memory shield. Press the latches outward on each side of the memory module to release it. The Y530 and Y540 have two slots for the memory. The Y530 can upgrade up to 16 GB max, while the Y540 is up to 32 GB. Now, let's go to the removal of the SSD. It is located near the HDD. Unscrew it and replace it. For the HDD, you need to disconnect the HDD cable first, remove the four screws, and remove the HDD with the HDD assembly. As a bonus, at the description box below, I provided a link to check the built-in parts of Lenovo computers, part numbers, and its compatible parts. I also included the links where to check the authorized repair centers around the world, check your warranty status, and check if the device has an international warranty. Aside from the links, I also included some instruction per link on how to get that information. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share if you find this useful to others. Click and subscribe for more tips and simplified troubleshooting steps. Thank you for watching. Till next time, over and out.